doing? You talking to Mr. Sunshine? Yeah? You're talking to Mr. Sunshine? You're saying hi? You're saying hello to Mr. Sunshine? Yeah? Is he your friend? Oh. Did you say my name is Madalena? Yeah? Is that what you said? Did you say hello? That's right. Say hi. Yeah. You're so good at talking. You could talk to him all day long, couldn't you? Yeah? You talk to Mr. Sunshine? Good burp. Good burp. Okay. Good job, Madalena. Good job.